Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our 10th lecture of our course named Statistical Data Analysis by using R Studio. In our last few lectures, we have discussed about correlation, how to write script, how to create heat map, how to create bar graph, how to create different plots like scatter plot and bar plot, box plot, each and everything we have discussed in detail. So we have also started Python course and two lectures has uploaded on my YouTube channel. Must watch that. And if you now started RStudio course, must watch because after these two courses you can make money online by your freelance services on different platforms. So guys, subscribe my channel and must watch this courses. Also share with your friends. So let's start lecture number 10. And the lecture topics that we are going to cover today are what is descriptive, descriptive, descriptive statics. We will discuss about what is descriptive statics and how to set data set for descriptive statics, and last topic how to do descriptive statics on our descriptive statics. So these are the topics that we are going to cover today, guys. So for descriptive statistics, we should must crystal clear our concepts about what is descriptive stats. For that, let's we open ChatGPT and ask about what is descriptive statistics. So let's ask what is descriptive statistics. So what is descriptive statistics? We will ask from the ChatGPT and we will get complete detail. You can even also read different articles on YouTube or on Google regarding this. So descriptive statistics, what is descriptive statistics basically? Descriptive statistics are numerical or graphical method to summarize and describe the main features of the data set. If to represent any data in the form of the graphs and summarize, that is called descriptive stats. They help you understand the basic structure and trend in your data before applying complex analysis like regression and clustering. Before going into the detail of the complex analysis, these basic stats help you to understand the nature of the data in the graphical form and in the table form. So guys, this is the concept of descriptive statistics. Types: measure center tendency like mean, very basic concept. What is mean? Sum of values divided by number of values. Median, mode, measure of dispersion, and standard deviation, variance, range, IPR, shape of distribution, skewness, kurtosis, cons and proportions. So basically, this is the concept of the basic descriptive statistics. So guys, this is very easy. You can type on ChatGPT and take concept. Even you can take lectures on YouTube on this topic. These are basic terms. So we will ask ChatGPT send a sample data to small descriptive statistics. Send sample data set in different sheets for our descriptive statistics on R. Send sample data. So we will ask ChatGPT send us the sample data so that we can perform descriptive statistics on RStudio. So ChatGPT will give us any practice data. Even you can use your data set to perform the descriptive stats on the R. If your data set is not according to right to perform analysis on R, you can send your data set to ChatGPT and ask the recommendation. ChatGPT will fix the issue that you will have in your data. So it is taking some time. It will create us a hey, you can see that it is created us a simple data to perform the descriptive stats. So we will download this data set in the Excel sheet. Here data set is downloaded. So now guys, what we will do, we will perform different descriptive statistics analysis on the RStudio by using this data. First of all, import this data set from Excel. We will simply import data set on RStudio and we will perform different analysis. Here is data. Open the dataset. How to import data? I have already told you. So here you can see that we have different sheets. Here you can click center tendency. We will select center tendency and we will import sheet center tendency first. Yes, I have imported. Now in second step, what we will do? We will str over data. To get the data set in the form of the table, we will do str over data. Str over data set. Str and our data set name is descriptive statistics. I have selected and I will run this data set. So here I get the table. I will select this table and copy this table. And so first was central tendency. So what we will do? I want central tendency analysis with visualization visualization on R. Simple type this on RStudio and paste the data you copied and send. RStudio AI will generate the script for you and you can use that script. Here you can see that ChatGPT has generated a script for us for descriptive statistics, specifically central tendency. Here you can see that complete script has generated. Simple copy this script and again go to the RStudio and paste it. Here you can see that there are different libraries. You have to install first these libraries. How to install? I have already explained in last lectures. Simple dplyr dataset deploy. I will run and again I will run the dataset. Here you can see that my code is working. I have got central tendency. Here you can see that I have get table in the form of central tendency. Meet age print table histogram return median for income. I have get this plot to for I click here histogram mean for median and here you can see that I get two plots, one and here is second. So this is guys how we can perform the descriptive stats by using the RStudio. You can also save these graphs, these plots on you. Here you can will right click, copy image and you can send on WhatsApp group of our RStudio or you can also save in your desktop. Simple I am going to send this plot to my personal WhatsApp to save and here I will also take second and also will share these plots on my statistical data analysis gurus official platform as a portfolio. So guys, this is how you can perform the center tendency by using dataset on RStudio. So now guys, we will perform second analysis. Again we will import a dataset. Sorry, cancel. We are going to import dataset in the form of Excel. Simple, we will import dataset in the form of Excel. Select Excel sheet again and here we go. Here select this and also select the sheet primary data. Yes, dispersion. So I will perform dispersion analysis or descriptive statistics on the RStudio. Simply I will select it. Simple I have selected. Again we have to str. We will str. Yes, we will str and write down the name of the data again. Descriptive. Yes, here's data. Run this and now we will simply copy this. We will copy this. We have to copy complete. Yes, copy this and send to ChatGPT. I want to perform dispersion. I want to perform dispersion on R. So guys, what is dispersion? What is center tendency? You can read these basic definitions on ChatGPT or on Chrome or Google. These are very basic concepts. So guys, here I have get a script for, and the rest of the analysis you will perform yourself. These are very easy, guys. So in order, tomorrow we will discuss about how we can perform t-test and ANOVA t-test on the studio. Today we will discuss. So let's run this script. We will simply paste script here, and now we will run this script and let's see what we get. So we will run this script. Yes, from here we will run this script. You can see that outputs are showing on our screen. You can see that we get box plot. Yes, we will copy and send to my WhatsApp. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And if you want statistical data analysis services, the online classes, paid classes, research analysis services, or research writing services, or data analysis services, you can contact me personally on my WhatsApp number, through my channel, through my Facebook page. I am also providing statistical data analysis classes and services to all international students. So that's why I'm saying that you must learn these skills so that you also can perform different analysis and provide services to your clients. So this is how, guys, we perform analysis. We get multiple plots on our file. So we will simply copy this. Yes, simple. These are very easy things, guys. So this is how we can perform the descriptive statics. So guys, in our next lecture of Python, we are going to move to the advanced analysis of the Python 2. We have learned 2 lectures, what is Python and how to import dataset. Tomorrow we will perform different analysis of Python, how to write script, and also we will learn about RStudio, how to can perform details and ANOVA 1, ANOVA 2, ANOVA regression on the RStudio. So guys, must subscribe my channel and keep up to date or stay up to date my channel for data analysis. And if you want to master this skill, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.